Hey, what is up, guys? So as you can see, it's pretty nice outside, but I'm having a little problem with the R6. Basically, when it's at idle, it idles really bad, and also when I try to just take off in first gear, it misfires. So it kind of sounds like a V-twin engine since it misfire, I guess. Right now I took the first coil pack out. I'm pretty sure the problem is coming from a coil pack, since I replaced the spark plug less than 1,000 miles ago. Okay guys, so I tried every coil pack outside just to see if they were all sparking, and they all seem to be good. So what I did is I put the gas tank back in, put the coil pack in, the spark plug back in, and just started the bike. So of course I'm getting a check engine because there's a lot of sensors that are not plugged in. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling every coil pack one by one, and checking if the RPM is changing, also if the sound is changing. So as you guys just saw, if I pull either the first, second or third coil pack, basically the RPM drops or the bike dies. So this is making me think that it's either a bad spark plug on the fourth cylinder, or maybe just... I also tried to swap a coil pack from 3 on first position and second on fourth position, and I'm getting the same result. Okay guys, so I just received my coil pack in. As you can see, I ordered it online since I wasn't able to find it anywhere local. So yeah, let's go and install it and see if the R6 is running any better. So I just put the new coil pack in, and yeah, the bike seems to run pretty good now. I'm gonna show it to you. The idle is now pretty stable. It doesn't jerk off when taking off in first gear. Okay guys, so excuse my red eyes. I just got back from the test drive and got a bug in my eyes. But basically, the bike is running mint now. As you can see, I took the two fuse for the fan out, so the temperature of the bike could raise. As you can see right now, it's at 216 degrees. The idle is pretty damn stable. Can give it some gas. Stable idle. So yeah, so basically the misfire was caused by a faulty coil pack, and coil pack number 4 in fact. And so yeah guys, that's how you fix some misfire on the R6 or basically any other motorcycles. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.